When the pandemic hit, some of you were allowed to defer any payment for VAT that was due for the first quarter of 2020. That payment became due in full as at the 31st of March 2021. But some of you since then have been allowed to pay in installments and have been not sure how to enter that in QuickBooks. So this quick video is just going to show you how to do it when that payment goes out each month. So here you can see this organization, they're having theirs taken by direct debit. Now some people, what you said you've been doing is adding it to suspense and then hoping your accountant will clear it, but you can actually clear it in QuickBooks yourself and then get a true picture of what you owe it at any particular time. So if you go over to taxes, now this is if you have any kind of deferred payment terms, but it's obviously an issue at the moment because the tax office have been very generous in allowing people to pay over the better part of a year. So it would relate to this particular return, and of course you can see we've not paid any of it at all. This is still showing the balance. So if we go to record payment, if we go back to the bank just so you can see it, so as you can see on the 11th of March 2021 this money was taken from the bank account. So all we do is we go back over to the VAT payment scheme, we enter the bank or choose a drop down, we put payment, double check that's the return we're dealing with, and the payment date, okay, and the payment amount 3957.87. No need to put anything in there, there'll be a memo in the actual bank transaction assuming that you are downloading these, and we save that. So then when I come back over to the bank screen and refresh it, I can see that it's found a payment there that it matches with, and I can just match that. And same with this one here. This was on the 12th of April 2021. So if we go back over to the tax screen, if I refresh that, you will see that that return has now reduced a balance, and you can see the payment there. So if we were to do that again, record the payment, make sure you pick the correct bank account, and the payment date was the 12th of April, slightly different amount this time, 3957.79, and then we just save that. So then now if I go back to the bank screen and search on those and refresh them, you will see it's found both payments, and all you need to do is match them. Match the other one. Then if I go back to the VAT screen and refresh it and have a look, I'll see now that the payments are showing the two payments combined and the balance outstanding. So when the next payment comes out, do the same, and the next payment and the next payment until it's all cleared off. I hope that helps. Thank you so much.